Hello, dear employer. My name is Irish Mupas. I'm 33 years old from Bangar, La Union, Philippines. I am happy married woman. I have one son, age 14. I am high school graduate. I work as domestic helper in Philippines almost 6 years and 1 month. I serve one couple and two kids, age 6 and 4. My duties and responsibilities in for my former employer is to taking care of their children, cleaning their house, marketing, washing dishes, washing their clothes, ironing, and most especially taking care of their children. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to give a better life to my family and also to my son for his education. To my prospect future employer in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper. I will do my very best to serve your family and most especially to taking care of your children. Thank you. God bless.